don't forget to, no. And if this is your first time, nope. Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Man Cake. My name is Dan, and today we're going to be making cinnamon roll donuts. Flavor wise, think of a good bowl of cinnamon toast crunch. It's going to be super easy, super quick, and super delicious. And if you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you know when brand new recipes are posted. And you get to try them out with me. Plus, down there also, the giveaway link, so you definitely want to make sure that you're entered. Now before we start, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And let's get started on our donuts. So with our mixing bowl, we're going to start by whisking all of our dry ingredients together. We're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of nutmeg. Now with our dry ingredients done, we can move those aside, get another mixing bowl, and start on the wet. A 1/4 cup of yogurt, then we'll add 2 eggs, a half cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and then we'll just mix it around and pour our mixture over 2/3 cups of brown sugar and give it a mix. Now with our dry and wet ingredients all mixed up separately, we're going to go ahead and mix them all together. So we just whisk, whisk, whisk. And with our donut batter officially done, let's go ahead and pipe them into our donut pans. Should have enough batter for a dozen yummy donuts. Now let's go ahead and bake these in the oven for 8 minutes. Now while our donuts are cooling, let's go ahead and start on our icing. So in our new mixing bowl, let's start with our 3 main ingredients. 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2.5 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then we just give it a quick mix around until it's nice and smooth. And with those mixed, we want to go ahead and pull some out of the main mixing bowl into a smaller one. Just a tiny little bit amount. Don't need too much. This is going to be for our cinnamon icing. So let's add just a half teaspoon of cinnamon and mix it around. Well, I think our donuts are cooled enough, and now we can start on our icing. So let's start with our white icing. And just give a couple of zigzag lines. And then we can go back over with our cinnamon icing. And there are our delicious cinnamon roll donuts. It smells like breakfast. Honestly, if I didn't just start keto, I'd probably be having these right now for breakfast, but doesn't mean we can't try one. Let's go for this one right on top. How cute is that? I mean, and it took only what, like 10 minutes? Told you they're gonna be super easy. That is one amazing donut. Try them, you're gonna love them. Trust me, these are perfect. Perfect for like a Sunday brunch if you're hosting one, or if you just want a snack. These are amazing. One more bite. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. It's right down there, just nice little click. And ring the bell and check out that giveaway link because you definitely want to make sure you enter. And if you make these wonderful, delicious, super quick donuts, definitely let me know and tag me on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or wherever you're at. I'm sure I'm at too. And until next week, bye.